Nestled in the mountains about an hour-and-a-half drive from Malaga, Ronda is known for its dramatic scenery, rich history, and incredible architecture. Ronda is located in the province of Malaga, roughly halfway between the bustling city of Seville and the sunny beaches of Marbella. Perched high on a plateau, it's surrounded by the stunning Serranía de Ronda mountain range. This picturesque town is easily accessible by car or train, making it a perfect day trip or overnight stop when exploring southern Spain.
So one of the fun things about walking around these old cities is just getting lost, and sometimes when you get lost you run into some amazing places, or just walking through just the streets and the neighborhoods, and you know, just checking out these epic views. The quietness of some of these popular towns is nice to just see some of the normal everyday life, but it's pretty beautiful.
One of Ronda's most iconic sites is the Puente Nuevo, or New Bridge. This stunning bridge spans the gorge and offers amazing views of the countryside. Built in the late 18th century, it's a true masterpiece of engineering.
So right beside the big bridge in Ronda that's famous, if you come down pathway just down to the left, if you're looking at it from the one side, there is also another little bridge. So we're just following the pathway that goes down around the gorge. So the upper bridge is just up that gorge. Oh, here's the walkway all the way down. I'm with Mom, so we opted not to go all the way down to the bottom of the gorge. Right behind me is the bullfighting pen in Ronda. Something else to discover while you're here. And just across from the bullpen is this beautiful main street that has all the shopping. So that wraps up our tour of Ronda in Spain, Andalusia. If you do come to this city, we came on a Sunday and it was really nice and quiet. We did stay overnight, and it was kind of nice because once the tourists left, the whole town quieted right down and it was very quaint. Do come, do spend a night, and then it's a little quieter and nice to walk around. Thanks for watching. We hope that you like this video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.